Now, alright guys, that's 85 here in Curdz, out on a walk today behind his house, and very nice view, nice field. Coyotes have got to be just wandering this field. Great field. Anyway, we're just on a walk today because kind of felt like it, and yeah,
freaking wilderness walk.
Yeah, nice.
Gave me the title of this video, right?
What? Yeah, wilderness walk. Title, yeah. Anyway, you don't really know what to talk about, but
yeah. It's not really snowing right now, but
just a little bit of flurries.
Yeah, flurries. Yeah.
And not much snow on the ground. It's January 12th, I believe, or no, 14th or something.
Yeah, 14th.
And it's January in Minnesota, and
freaking no snow.
Yeah, there's like not even an inch of snow. And the other day it was like 40 freaking degrees out.
Wow.
Crazy.
That's pretty crazy.
Yeah. So.
Oh, there's a trail over there.
Trail over there?
Or we could just walk up the hill.
I don't know which one. Which one should we do?
I don't know, what trail or?
Sure, why not? Trail's fine. Yeah, but anyway. It's usually at this time of the year, at least a foot of snow, but not even an inch yet? Or, oh, might be an inch, but God. Going on a trail. Curdz up his Angry Birds hat, you know.
There's a bunch of pricklies right there.
Let's just go around. Going around, I guess. Nice little barn here. Nice little shed. Coons probably be crawling around in here. I'm telling Curdz that he should be setting a few traps up here.
Wow.
There's gotta be coon up here, you know? There's gotta be coon.
It's weird up there.
Some rabbit tracks coming off this trail. Set a few rabbit snares. Oh, look at this run right here. See that trail?
Yeah.
It's a nice game trail right there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Nice little trail here. Yeah. So, Curdz.
You calling for some elk up here?
Yeah. I have my call right here, Carter. My elk call.
Yeah.
And
what is this, dude?
little junk.
Oh, there's stuff on there?
Yeah. Big old tree right here.
Huh.
Nice trail though back here. Nice trail. Probably deer up in here. Gotta be deer up in here. Okay, see that point way up there? We're going there. No, I was kidding.
Oh, okay, good.
Nice little open spot here.
Yeah,
Do you travel these woods a lot, Carter?
Ooh. Not really.
Not really?
I've been up here like 3 times.
Never get a chance to, or?
Yeah, I know. There's too much Xbox to play. Yeah, well, I went over that thing once.
Really? That
Yeah.
whole hill?
Yeah, that thing.
Nice.
And behind it was just like just a bunch of fields, so
Uh,
I just like screw it, you know.
yeah,
I don't know what that is right there, but
something.
no, a little.
Yeah. Little wood box thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a nice little trail, game trail you have here. And
Yeah.
anyway,
Do you see any
there's a view.
animals or anything?
I don't see any animals.
Look at the big.
But yeah, there's gotta be tracks around here somewhere.
Well, let's see. It's kind of cold out here.
Yeah, my hand's pretty much freezing. Oh, there's the table. Is that the table? Something on it. It's like drugs to me or something.
Yeah.
Could be. Ooh, hand. There's some rocks.
Huh.
Anyway, guys, nice little view. Yeah. Well, this is behind Carter's house, and it's pretty. It's beaut. That's all I gotta say. It's beaut. And yeah. Hello?
Yeah, it's pretty beautiful.
Very beaut. Very.
Oh, man. Where are we going?
I don't know. Following you, Carter.
Okay.
You know these woods more than I do. Yeah.
Let's go see if we can like find a Bigfoot or something.
Yeah.
Looks like some bird right there. Eagle?
There's a bird right there above the hill. Carter spotted that out. And I don't know. Could be an eagle.
Looks like it's coming closer.
I think it is trying to get us or something.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, kill us.
It might. Okay, where'd it go? There. There it is. I don't see a white head on it. I don't know. But, yeah.
Drinking my dew.
Just drinking my dew.
Famous line right there.
Yeah.
Famous line. So,
Yeah, if you
like,
guys see this video, anybody that we don't know, send us some money, you know. We need some money.
leave a comment below.
Yeah, leave a comment or
If you have no idea who we are,
yeah.
that'd be pretty cool. Otherwise, you know, shoutouts.
Shoutouts and
Shoutouts to like Tanner,
yeah,
Cole,
Brendan,
yeah, Brendan.
Jonathan if he even watches our videos.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you really like us, send us a few bucks and because we need to get paid, you know, we need to get paid for making these videos. Yeah. So.
Oh yeah, we'll just.
Anyway, just.
Right here.
What?
See the water tower.
Nice.
Let's go up here a little bit.
Water tower. Little building right there. Yeah, this is a perfect habitat for a Bigfoot. What?
Look at this view.
Yeah, this is a magnificent view.
Yeah. We're gonna go find a Bigfoot.
Perfect habitat for it, you know?
Yeah. Maybe like a Yeti from Skyrim.
Yetis. Tall grass. Good for predators, you know. There could be Bigfoot anywhere in here. Anyway.
Well, I'm cold.
I'm freezing.
Yeah.
So guys, I think we're almost done here, and
Yeah. We're just gonna wrap this up.
gonna wrap this up.
So see you later, guys.
Curdz.
Curdz here, signing out.
And Maz 85. So keep watching both of our videos, and yeah.
Okay.
And we're signing out now, so bye.